Welcome to our guide on troubleshooting common Microsoft account issues in Windows 11. Today, we'll explore the key problems you might encounter and how to resolve them effectively. Here are some common symptoms that may indicate you have problems with your Microsoft account: failure to sign in, unexpected sign out, and issues with app synchronization. In this step-by-step segment, we'll guide you through the process of resetting your Microsoft account password. Begin by navigating to the Microsoft account sign-in page and selecting Forgot Password. Next, let's verify your Microsoft account email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from Microsoft and follow the link provided. Encountering sign-in issues or error messages? We'll walk you through diagnosing these errors and what they mean for your account. Before proceeding, ensure that your internet connection is stable. Let's check your settings to confirm everything is functioning properly. Windows 11 provides an account troubleshooter tool. Here's how to access it and what steps to follow to identify and rectify issues. If your sync settings fail, don't worry. We'll discuss how to troubleshoot these failures and restore synchronization across your devices.